BioEnamel is a re-mineralizing gel fortified with Bioglass. Now this Bioglass helps in repair as well as regeneration of the tooth surfaces. This Bioglass releases beneficial ions that promote a natural healing of the enamel. And this is developed by Previous 10 Pro. And when we see the packaging, we can also see that there are instructions for the product as well as the directions for use. Now apart from a remineralization of the tooth structure, this BioEnamel also reduces tooth sensitivity as well as prevents caries. Now this packaging contains a 2 ml of dispensing pen which is vanilla flavored. So let's open up the packaging and see the contents inside. So this BioEnamel is presented in a convenient dispenser pen with paint on brush for easy application. Also we get the instructions page which contains the product information, the indications for its use, the instructions for its use and the contraindications. Now let's see how this BioEnamel presented as a dispensing pen can work. Firstly, it reduces the post-whitening sensitivity as well as those sensitivity which is caused due to non-carious lesions as well as sensitivity after oral prophylaxis. Now as it contains this Bioglass which helps in a re-mineralization of the de-mineralized tooth structure. Now this dispensing pen of the BioEnamel has two ends, the bottom end which is the rolling part and the front end which contains the brush. Now when we roll this rolling part in a clockwise direction, we get the gel released on the brush. Let's see how. Remember, for the first time when you are using the dispensing pen, we have to roll the rolling part of the bottom end a few times so that the gel is released onto the brush. Keep rolling for a few times so that we can see the paint on brush and it will appear as a drop initially. Now after usage or application, always close the pen with the lid to avoid drying of the gel on the brush bristles. So this was all about BioEnamel. We will be back with our demonstration video on BioEnamel. Thanks for watching.